right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Y'all, I've got a new unit from ISEE Hair. Y'all, here's everything that was in the box. Here is the unit. This is their 360 invisible drawstring unit, which allows you to wear your hair up. It's been pre-plucked, pre-bleached as well, and I just want to give you guys an up close look at the inside of the units. And also I just wanted you to see the clear drawstring right here for the back of your head, just so you know how it looks and just so you know what to look for. This is going to allow you to wear your hair up if you choose to. But y'all, let's go ahead and get into this unit really quickly. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, y'all, and I'm going to Vegas for Valentine's Day, and I'm bringing this unit with me, and let me tell you why. It took me no time to pop this on my head and melt it down. This is a glueless unit. You can wear it glueless, y'all, but I'm choosing to add a little bit of hairspray because that's just what I do. There's no reason why in 2025 wigs should be coming off. And let me tell you why I'm taking this with me to Vegas. It may be just this one, it may be one other one, but because y'all, I'm going with my husband and we are going on a little vacation, and the last thing I want to do is be fooling around with my hair all the time when we're out and about and having us a good time. So this is definitely very easy. I'm gonna give you guys an up close look right here. All you do is just pull the back of that little clear drawstring to tighten it up a bit around your nape, and then I went on ahead and sprayed a little bit of hairspray just to be on the safe side. I just did this for extra security reasons, and it took me like 5 seconds. It wasn't that big a deal. All right, y'all, so here is what we are working with. So if this is your taste right here, you are not a I'm gonna lay my edges kind of girl, none of that. You can just skip what I'm doing right here and go straight to defining the curls, or defining the waves, I should say, on this hair. But if you are an edges girl, keep watching because this took me no time. Nothing makes me happier than to have a unit that's already pre-plucked. They already did that for you. You don't have to worry about doing it. It just ends up making like me laying my edges so much easier and so much faster. So just cutting them a bit and using my Design Essentials foam as well to lay these mugs down and just doing my normal routine, you guys. So y'all, the combination that I'm using, my hairspray and the foam, is like the best combo ever. My lace does not lift up, even though it's it's kind of wet right here. I don't have to worry about my wig sliding back and none of that kind of stuff. So if you're having that problem, maybe take a look at the products that you are using. And also, one other big tip that I've always said, work quickly. Like, don't think too much about having your edges so perfect, so right in place, because it's gonna look a little bit unnatural, especially if you more of like a wispy look that I like not too perfect, you know what I mean, just kind of like I woke up like this, kind of sort of. Don't think too hard about it, work a little bit faster and you should be good. Another thing that I do right here, I add a lot more foam right around the perimeter before I put my black little strip on and let it just sit or blow dry it, whatever. This really helps the hair to flatten out in the front, and I just feel like it's just one of those finishing touches that I have to do to make sure my unit comes out as good as possible. And I'm about to show you guys, after letting this sit for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so, this is how I am looking. Did my makeup a little bit, 15-20 minutes or whatever, and now it's time to move on to the hair. But y'all, hairline is on point. Edges are just, yeah, loving it right now. So y'all, I haven't worked with ISEE Hair in a while, and I've actually only worked with them a handful of times. And every time that I do work with them, I just know my hair is gonna turn out so good without a lot of effort. Like, they really think about everything. They really take care of the lace. It's comfortable. It's not super hard. It's not, all that stuff we don't want. The hairline is ready to go. You don't have to do too much to it if you don't want to. So I appreciate stuff like that. I love being able to just pop a unit on and not do too much and go. As far as this hair, you guys, as far as what I'm doing right now, I just took a little bit of water, just took my spray bottle, lightly sprayed this hair because I was actually going out. I didn't want to drench it. It wasn't necessary to drench it in water. And then I took my Camille Rose, the honeycomb Home Curl Cream. Y'all know I love using curl cream for curly hair, wavy hair. I don't use any foams or gels anymore. It's not my thing. I am a cream based kind of girl. And then just taking my brush and just running it all through, making sure the waves are nice and defined and they feel good. They're nice and soft as well, no crunchy hold. So I'm just gonna finish this up, you guys. I let it air dry for maybe 20 minutes or so, no diffuser, no nothing. And then I'm just gonna do a few finishing touches, like a little bronzer around my face to tie everything together like I always do. And then I'm gonna show you guys the final look if you're just wearing this unit down. It looks so good, y'all, and it was so easy to do. Literally took me no time. Also, y'all, make sure you check the description box. I will have the direct link to this unit. Any coupons or anything that I have, promo codes, I'll put them down there for you. Also, I'll have everything that I use as far as products go, so that, yeah, it'll be just right there, linked individually, okay? Or you check out my Amazon store. It's always going to be there as well. All right, y'all, so next, a little date night Valentine's Day hair inspo. Super quick, y'all. I'm gonna throw this up into a like loose, fluffy bun with my bangs right here hanging from the front. This hair is full, okay? Let me just start by saying that. So what I did was just basically just split it in half. So I'm doing half up, half down first, and then I'm gonna gather the rest of the hair in the back into a ponytail. I'm gonna use this little black thing they sent me. I'll show you guys it up close just 1 second, or actually it's the beginning of this video, but I'm gonna use this little black hair thing. I really didn't know what to use it for, but I was like, I think this could help me throw my hair up into the loose bun that I really want to. So this is what I'm using, you guys. Had no clue how to work it, but I was like, you know what? I'm smart. I could figure this out. So it was actually very easy. If I can find this little thing, because it like took me 2 seconds to throw my hair up, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And then from here, I just started to loosely pin the hair up, making it as full as possible. I was definitely going for a flirty look, like not too done up, not too anything, just very flirty, very easy for Valentine's Day, just giving you guys a different look. And then as far as my little bangs go right in the front, I'm gonna cut those because it just didn't make sense for them to be super long like they were. So cut them a bit, curl them, whichever way you want to curl them, y'all. And you've got your quick and easy Valentine's Day date night, whatever you want to call it, updo. Use this look for any occasions. This hair was actually perfect because I didn't have to add any more curls to it. And you also don't have to worry about your curls falling. So I went on ahead and curled the bangs right in the front, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks if you just didn't add any heat. Let's just say your team no heat right now and you just want something simple. I'm just gonna wet them and give you guys that look as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some ideas. I hope this helped. Happy Valentine's Day to you, because it's one of my favorite holidays. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.